Modi will chair a crucial meeting of the Cabinet Committee on the Political Affairs, that is the CCPA, the most important committees of the Cabinet that has also been dubbed as the Super Cabinet. Also, the meeting comes after a round of meetings of the Cabinet Committee on the Security, that is CCS. The next one is due on Wednesday, following the last week's shocking massacre of the tourists in the Kashmir's Pahalgam. After the first round of the CCS meeting, the government had announced a series of the non-military measures that have been taken against Pakistan, including the freezing of the Indus Treaty, also shutting on the Atwari border and cancellation of the visas. Also, after the crucial meetings this evening with the Defence Minister, that is the Rajnath Singh, and the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and the Chief of the Diwan Staff, that is the General Anil Chauhan, Prime Minister Modi gave the armed forces complete freedom to decide on the more target and the timing of the India's military response to the Pahalgam terror attack, sources have said. In the backdrop, tomorrow's CCPA meet has raised speculation. The CCPA had met last year with the terror attack in the Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama in 2019 to review the security situation and formulate the counter strategies. The meeting had signed off on the withdrawal of the most favored nation status given to Pakistan. Also, later on the February 26, 2019, the Indian Air Forces carried out the airstrike on the terror camps in the Balakot CCPA function. The CCPA review and decides on the important political and the economic matters of the country and meets on the crucial occasions. Also, the CCPA mainly considers the relation between the center and the states, especially when there is a need to form consensus. Discussion and decisions are made on the economic policies and internal security issues that have the political implication. It also helps with coordination between the various committees and ministries on issues that have far-reaching political consequences. Besides, the CCPA also discusses and decides on the foreign policy issues that are likely to have an impact on the country's politics. Members of the CCPA is chaired by the Prime Minister and includes the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, that is, and the Home Minister Amit Shah, the Road Transport and Traffic Minister Nitin Gadkari, the Finance Minister, that is the Nirmala Sitharaman, the Commerce Minister, that is Piyush Goyal, Health Ministry, that is the JP Nadda, Civil Aviation Minister K. Ram Mohan Naidu, MSME Minister Jitan Ram Manji, Shipping Minister, and also the Environment Minister, and along with the Women and Child Welfare Minister Annapurna Devi. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju and the Coal Minister G. Kishan will also be the part.